Hello guys, I'm back once again. Today is another day and I have another video to present to you. So sit back, relax and watch it. Alright my friends, I'm back once again. And today's episode, we're presenting the cassava cake that we made in the house. In Iloilo, we call it Puto Lanson. And on the province, we call it Puto Taktak, especially in Alimuja. Or in some other places, they call it a riphole. But in the city, they call it Puto Taktak. Just for your information, that's all made with a grated cassava. But since we don't have the real cassava, we buy from the store the grated ones that is came from the Philippines. What we gonna? In some of the Asian store, like a Vietnamese store, they're selling the cassava roots too. And same thing with some of the Mexican store, they call it yuca. But we don't have time, so we end up buying the package of grated cassava that came also from the Philippines. So here's the sample of what will be the outcome of what we're gonna cook for today. The ripahol or Puto Lanson or Puto Taktak, the same that came from cassava. Hello guys, today I'm presenting how to make the cassava cake. This cassava cake is not being cooked inside the oven, but this is a modified one using the steam that is generated on the cooking pot. And this is not the authentic one, but we made a little bit of twist to come up with this. So watch this video up to the end and you will learn something. This cassava cake, oh my goodness, this tastes so good. After you're done cooking, it's your choice. You can put margarine or butter. Or maybe you just put extra brown sugar. It's your choice. Whatever you like, you can have it. Watch up to the end of this video. It's a simple tutorial. And maybe you can do it yourself at home. So keep reading what I have noted on the menu. Oh no, the menu is very simple. I buy the grated cassava from the store, buy brown sugar, and I have to prepare the cooking pot with a small hole in the middle, so that if the water boils inside the pot, that will become steam. And that's the one that cooked the grated cassava itself on the can that I had to improvise to become like my mold. Anyway, watch the whole video and it is very simple process. If you're in the Philippines, maybe it takes a while for you to do it because you have to grate all of the cassava itself, and it takes a while. But since we are here, we can buy from the store, squeeze out the juice, make sure it's dry, and then you can start cooking it yourself. So enjoy watching guys, and hope you're gonna like my video. Okay? If you have a chance, please don't forget to put some comments, whatever homemade food that you want us to do, and feel free to put on your comments, and we love to read all your comments, and we will reply as soon as we can. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye. The one you see right now is the cassava flour. What I bought from the store is a grinded one, and I squeeze out the juice. So I use a cloth and squeeze all the juice as much as I can. And the next step that I have to do is put probably 2 big spoons of sugar and mix it up. We'll keep it mixing and adjust to the desired quantity of sugar that I need. This is pure cassava that I bought from the store. This one came from the Philippines. I think in Mexican store they're selling the yucca roots too, but mostly they just boil it. That's all the preparation that you have to make. I can add some more. That's all it takes. There's a lot of sugar mixed with the cassava flour. This is not totally dry. It's still moist. Set this aside until it, and I will mix it properly. Just a disclaimer, I'm just using this soda can to be my mold, to be used as my mold. As you can hear, the water is boiling already and on the bottom of this pot. This will become our steam cooker. As you notice, I covered my cooking pot with aluminum foil, and there is a hole on the top, and whatever comes out there, that's a steam. And if I guess, that's more than 200 degrees or 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Boiling water is 220 degrees Fahrenheit. That means if the steam's coming out, that's more than 220 degrees Fahrenheit. So I have to be careful in handling the steam. Okay, let's try cooking. The steam is coming out already in the hole. If you guys notice, there's a hole on the top of my kettle or my cooking pot. Okay, here you go. If the steam come out at the top, that means the cooking process starting already. There's a little bit of steam coming out on that grounded cassava with sugar. It's so fast. if the top is a little bit brown already, that means it's cooked. But there's a little bit of white spot still remaining in the top. That's my indicator. If everything is brown in color, that means already cooked. So this one, it looks like this is the fastest one that got cooked right away, including the top side. So it's the right time now to put some margarine. Margarine. Again, steam is coming out all the way to the top. This is the perfect one. If it's come out on the top, that means it is cooked already and it's ready to eat. I'll change again with another mode. Okay, this is the last one. You're out. One goes in. As you can see, we have cooked 5 already here. For presentation purposes, here's all the cassava cake that we made. Easy to cook, but it takes long time for preparation. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just keep watching my video. I will not charge you at all, promise. Okay? If you want to watch my video 10 times, that's all for free. I promise to myself, to all my friends that watch my video, I'm not charging at all. Okay guys? Hope you guys have a good weekend and see you on my next vlog. But lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.